Hi, I'm Sandra. In this video I'm going to show how to create a snake design for balloon cluster, garland technique. It's very important you understand with the garland, basic garland technique, you can create many different designs that gonna give you different visual for your project. And that one I'm gonna use two colors only. That's gonna be black and white. Okay, I have here already inflated. If you're watching this video, you don't know how to inflate it, go back in our inflation and tie techniques that you're gonna see how you have to do it. And here, two duplets, we're gonna cross two together and make a cluster of 4 balloons. The next one, it's black, two duplet black. You're gonna make a cluster of 4 balloons, all black. It's very simple, the snake technique. You can use any color to make that technique. And then what I'm gonna do, I take the string. If you don't know how to tie the string on the balloon, please check out the video and see with more detail, okay? 1, 2. And tie. As always, we started our cluster. Check the video on techniques that you're gonna see how to tie. Now I have already, I'm gonna just make an 8 here to make them more stable. And then I'm gonna intercalate. 1, 2, make the 8. Black and white. 1, 2, make the 8. Another one, black and white. 1, 2, make the 8. One more. Remember, push and pull, string very straight. 1, 2, make the 8. All right, this is what we're gonna do until we finish the size we want. Be sure you're gonna pack the balloons well done. Push and pull, go around 2 balloons and make an 8, okay? I'm gonna try again. Now it's gonna be the black. Push and pull. See the pressure? Push and pull. Short line to be more firm. Push and pull. Go around 2 and make the 8. And lock them in. One more. Put it here. Push and pull, go around 2 and make the 8. One more. Go around, make the 8. Let me see how many we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is gonna be enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 clusters, and we're gonna add 2 more to complete 11 clusters. Okay. Remember, push and pull, go around, make the 8. Organize the next one. Push and pull, go around and make the 8. And then I'm gonna cut it and do the loop. Check it out on techniques how to do a loop, okay? When you finalize 1, 2, and 3. 3, 4 times it's enough to secure it. Take the excess and hide inside the balloons, or you can cut it, okay? I have already 11 balloons. This is gonna be 11 clusters, I'm sorry. This is gonna be about 4 feet. 11 clusters, 4 feet, this one. The pressure you put it is gonna alterate the length of your garland. And then this is a snake technique. Oh, I'm sorry, snake design. On garland technique, basic garland cluster of 4 balloons. And I hope you like it. You can practice it and make your creation. Thank you for watching. See you next video.